This is not a joke. There is an actual woodpecker on top of my house pecking my roof. And obviously he's been coming around for years because I've been hearing that random like tapping noise for years, and I thought it was the plumbing, but I couldn't figure out why the plumbing would be above and not below, so I didn't know what it was. But it's this woodpecker. Aha! Busted. I wonder what the hell he's doing up there. With bugs or what? Is he gonna peck a hole in the roof? Should I be concerned? I don't know. It's very strange. See if he does it again. Come on. I'm gonna have to go up there anyway because there's a bunch of moss on the roof. Maybe I can figure out what he's doing. I don't know. I don't particularly want to go climbing up on the roof, but oh, now he's being shy. And that is not my dog. Luckily, my dog very rarely barks. There he goes again. Well, okay. Now we've solved the mystery. Is that a woodpecker? I don't even know if that is a woodpecker. I have no idea. Oh, there he goes.